In this video, I will show you how to download and install Filmora 14 for free on PC or laptop. First, there are three options: individual, team, and business, or education. If you want to use Filmora on a single device, go with the individual plan. For multiple devices, choose the team and business plan. I will choose the individual option, which has 3 plans available. Select the perpetual plan, as it offers a lifetime membership with a 30-day free trial. After that, select your OS and click Buy Now. Enter your email address and click Continue. Then fill out the required information, including your card details. Don't worry, Wondershare won't charge you until the free trial ends. Once completed, click on Secure Checkout. Next, open the filmora.wondershare.com. Click on Download, install it, and sign in using the same email ID you used when purchasing the subscription. Now you can use Filmora without a watermark. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.